Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the controls menu on our watch. To do it, press and hold the light button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it and look for the airplane mode icon. By default it won't be here, so if you don't have it added, you will need to add it first. To do it, press and hold the middle button to open the menu. Select the option called Add Controls. Now find the airplane mode icon. Once you find it, tap on it. You will see the message Control Added. Then we can press the back button. And once you're back in the controls menu, you can scroll through it, and once you find the airplane mode icon and select it, you should see this message, rather status of the airplane mode, and by default it should say off. And if you want to enable the airplane mode, press the start button, the status will change to on, the icon will change the color, and then we can press the back button to go back to watch face. And now the airplane mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, open the controls menu, scroll through it, find the airplane mode icon. Once you select it, press the start button, the status will change to off, and the icon will go back to the white color, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and then we can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.